Hi guys, it's me, Sarah, and I've got Rebecca with me, and tonight we are doing Beers and Gears. If this is the first time you are tuning in, let me tell you a little bit about this. This is an adults only segment, so this is where you guys get to learn STEM activities, so science, technology, engineering, and math, but maybe with an adult beverage or like an adult twist on it with something. And the idea is you've had a long day, you're probably homeschooling, you're working from home, things are stressful. This is a chance for you to unwind, hopefully laugh a little, and maybe learn something new. Today I'm going to show you two things, and so one of them is a treat, and it is actually Wine Popsicles, and then the second one is a fun game that you guys can play, and you can actually learn a little bit about principles of flight. I know, exciting, right? So for the Wine Popsicles, super easy, and who doesn't love popsicles? If you are a parent, you probably have popsicle molds at home, so they look like this. And so all you're going to do is I just took some red wine, and I just poured it right into our mold. And then we froze these overnight. I will tell you, it usually takes a little bit longer to freeze alcohol, and they melt really fast. It just means you have to eat them faster. But yes, we do have our red wine popsicles right here. So this is a fun treat that you can make to enjoy at night. So if you start tonight, it'll be ready for tomorrow. So definitely want to do wine popsicles. And with that, you can tell people it's a science lesson, because it is. So you're dealing with states of matter, you're dealing with freezing, and so you're going from a liquid to a solid. So again, just tell people you're learning something. That's your excuse. So what we're going to do now is we're going to play a game. It's called Bernoulli Basketball, and so we did a big version of this with leaf blowers the other day. This is a small version you can do with hair dryers. Now, I will tell you, you have to be careful because hair dryers are notorious for throwing fuses and circuit breakers and all that, and turn the lights off. So we have to be a little creative with this, but you are learning about principles of flight. So there's a principle, it's called Bernoulli's principle. I know you already knew that, but I'm going to explain it. So it says fast-moving air has less pressure and slow-moving air has more pressure. It literally explains the lift that happens with airplanes. And so when we're using a hairdryer, we have fast-moving air coming out of the hairdryer, so less pressure. So that's going to have the ball go up here. But however, the air on the sides and on the top is slow-moving air, so that's more pressure. So that's why the ball just doesn't keep going. It actually pushes it in place and just kind of makes it levitate right here. What we're going to try and do is pass the ball back and forth. So this is, again, a game you can play at home. Again, just tell people that you're doing STEM activities. So here we go. Oh, just kidding. Another science lesson, electricity. Wait, I gotta get my hand underneath here.
I'm sorry, I was never very good at sports.
Alright, but you guys get the point. Again, it's just something fun for you to do. Hopefully you're learning something new. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please check out our website, theimag.org. You can also find all of these videos on our Facebook page. You can scroll through all of them and check out what you want to watch. Have a good night, guys.